Hello, I am so excited that you're here. I'm going to tell you more about ZeroGap. At ZeroGap, we are really dedicated to helping companies within male dominated industries transform their leaders, their teams, and their business. Research shows that companies that achieve higher profits have more diverse teams, which means this is a great opportunity for companies within male dominated industries to be intentional about their leadership. Now, one of the ways we do that is by working with women leaders, specifically in companies within traditional male dominated industries. And if that's your company, keep listening. Got a couple of tools for you and tips to help you plan, execute, and engage in a leadership strategy that really helps you transform your business to achieve even more results. Now, at the end of the day, we are all in business to make money, plain and simple. So when we're helping you to engage with your leaders, we do that through a five-part framework that we have at ZeroGap. And so we're helping you to walk through the stages to customize a program for your leaders to make sure that they have the skills to level up. A lot of the companies that we work with, they see success with us through our live masterclass trainings. And with the masterclass training, we are able to come in, look at the areas within your company that you're looking to increase and grow, use that five-part framework that I mentioned to you earlier, and develop a execution strategy for your leaders to develop. One of the things that I love is that people learn in different ways. So you have some people who are hands-on learners, others who need a book, and some who need some visuals. And so ZeroGap's masterclass trainings are interactive, and they are focused on delivering results. Now, we've worked with companies all over the country to deliver this framework, and I'd love the opportunity to speak with you to tell you more how we can assist in your needs. Our core areas for leadership development is negotiation, conflict resolution, risk and resilience, and executive presence. So if you see the need to have your leaders level up their skills so that you can transform your teams, the lives of your leaders, and your business, we are here to help you. My name is Jacqueline Swilly, president at ZeroGap.co. Let's get started.